Suppose you've posted a report or data table to Jump Live with a database connection using Query Builder. Well, the good news is we can refresh the data with an associated refresh script and set a schedule in Jump Live. From your instance of Jump Live, locate the Files tab and scroll down to the data you want to refresh. Select the Settings tab. If you don't already have a refresh script, no problem. First toggle on Refreshable and then copy the source script, select Edit in the refresh script area, and paste the source script into this script window. This is also how you'll make edits if needed. In the script, it's important to mention that the user ID and password are swapped out and replaced by placeholders UID and PWD. That means we need to assign credentials for that refresh script. If this is your first time running through this, we can do this by clicking the Assign button in the Assign Credentials space, then selecting the plus and providing a name, user ID, and password, then saving. After that's complete, you can do a manual data refresh. First, select the Refresh Data button, then confirm the refresh with the pop-up alert, and the data has been refreshed. And shortly after this, the report gets refreshed as well. We can also create an automated refresh schedule. That's all possible using the Refresh Create Schedule button and window. And by setting my preferences, my new data is refreshed. The reports and graphs also get updated on the schedule I determine.